Living in Tampa Bay, residents are all too familiar with the risks posed by severe weather conditions, particularly hurricanes. Florida's coastal location makes it especially vulnerable to tropical storms and hurricanes during the annual hurricane season. One of the most important investments homeowners can make to protect their properties from these threats is installing impact windows. These high-performance windows offer a range of benefits that not only enhance a home's safety and security but also contribute to long-term energy savings, increased property value, and improved comfort. Here's why impact windows are a wise choice for Tampa Bay residents. Enhanced protection during severe weather. Tampa Bay residents are no strangers to the destructive power of hurricanes and tropical storms. One of the most critical features of impact windows is their ability to withstand extreme conditions. Designed with a thick, laminated glass layer and a durable, shatter-resistant core, these windows can withstand flying debris and high winds, a common danger during storms. Unlike traditional windows, which can shatter easily under pressure, impact windows remain intact, preventing broken glass from becoming a hazard. This not only keeps your home safe but also minimizes the potential for costly repairs. In addition to providing protection from storms, impact windows can help deter intruders. The strong construction makes it much harder for criminals to break into a home through the windows, offering added security year-round. Energy efficiency and cost saving. In addition to protecting your home during storms, impact windows offer year-round benefits by improving your home's energy efficiency. Tampa Bay experiences hot, humid summers, and the energy costs for cooling homes can skyrocket. Impact windows are designed with advanced insulation properties that help keep indoor temperatures stable. They reduce the amount of heat that enters your home during the summer, making it easier to keep the air conditioning on a lower setting without sacrificing comfort. By installing impact windows, homeowners can reduce their energy bills over time. The added insulation can also help keep the warm air inside during the cooler months, reducing the need for heating systems. Overall, the energy savings over the lifetime of the windows can help offset the initial investment. Noise reduction for a quieter home. Tampa Bay is a bustling area, with traffic noise, construction activity, and occasional loud outdoor events being part of daily life. Impact windows help reduce noise pollution, creating a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment. Their sound dampening properties make them an excellent choice for residents living near busy roads, airports, or commercial areas. With impact windows, you'll enjoy a greater sense of privacy and tranquility in your home, free from the constant hum of external noise. Increased property value. Installing impact windows is a smart investment for homeowners looking to increase the value of their property. Potential buyers in Tampa Bay are likely to prioritize safety and energy efficiency, two key benefits offered by impact windows. Homes with these windows are seen as more resilient and cost-effective, especially in regions prone to severe weather. Furthermore, homes equipped with impact windows may qualify for insurance discounts, as they reduce the risk of storm damage. This can translate into lower homeowners' insurance premiums, which is an attractive selling point for future buyers. When considering long-term property value and potential resale benefits, impact windows are an investment that pays off. UV protection and interior preservation. Tampa Bay residents often experience sunny, bright days, which can cause significant damage to furniture, flooring, and artwork over time. The UV rays from the sun can cause fading and deterioration of materials inside the home. Impact windows are designed to block a significant amount of harmful UV rays, helping to protect your belongings from sun damage. This added layer of protection ensures that your interior decor remains vibrant and your home's furnishings last longer, saving you money on replacement costs. Low maintenance and durability. Impact windows are built to withstand the elements, meaning they require very little maintenance compared to traditional windows. They are resistant to corrosion, scratching, and other forms of wear and tear, making them a great long-term solution for homeowners. Unlike hurricane shutters, which require regular upkeep and can be a hassle to install and remove, impact windows are a permanent feature that require minimal attention. This durability ensures that your home remains protected and beautiful without the need for constant repairs or replacements. Conclusion. For Tampa Bay residents, impact windows offer far more than just protection from storms. They enhance the comfort, security, and energy efficiency of your home while also adding value and reducing maintenance needs. Whether you're safeguarding your property against hurricanes, reducing noise, or saving on energy bills, impact windows are a wise investment that provides lasting benefits. Considering Tampa Bay's unique weather conditions and the importance of home safety, impact windows are a must-have for homeowners looking to enhance their living space and protect their property.